Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If your F5 refresh key is not working, then watch this video for the solution. So the first thing we need to do, if any of the function keys like F5, F3 or F9, F10, F11 are not working, then we need to check if the function lock is in the on position. So to do that, various laptops have various systems have various combinations. I have an Asus laptop, and for Asus I just have to hold the function key and the escape button and it will unlock. And if I again hold function key and escape button, it will lock. So I need to hold it and ASUS will show me locked function key. And if I again press function and escape, then on the display I'll get normal function key. The next thing we need to do is to restart the Windows Explorer. So for that, what we need to do is we need to look for task manager here. Click on task manager and check for Windows Explorer. Okay, that is, right click and we'll click on restart. Now another option to solve this issue is to run an SFC scan. So we'll have to open command prompt. We'll look for command prompt in search bar, right click, run as administrator, yes, and we will input sfc space slash scan now, SEANNOW, and press enter and wait for the scan to get over. And the last option is to update the keyboard drivers if all these options fail to work. So we will look for device manager and we will look for the keyboards and expand it, and we will right click update the driver, and we will do this for all the HID keyboards. The standard PS2 keyboard is the old keyboards which use the 3-pin connections. If this video solved your issue, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.